In this video, I am going to show you how to get your Epic Games account back without an email. So keep in mind that if you lost access to your email, you can still recover your Epic Games account, but only if you are signed in. If you're not signed in, it will not be possible. So if there's a way to sign in into your account using like a Gmail or something like that, uh, you can do it. If not, you will not. So basically, to do so, you can go to sign in page as example, and from here you can click on trouble signing in. So here you can't access your account, you'll have to enter your email. This is one of the ways to, as an example, get your Epic Games accounts. But as you can see here, you will need an email. So if you don't have that, you can go to the supports page as example. You can get to the supports page just from like the Epic Game Store. Click on supports here at the top left, and you'll be taken here. Click on explore topic, and you can go to accounts, and you'll find yourself on the page, as you can see. So from here, you have many options. You can see all tools. So if you forgot your email address, you have this option where you will be able, as an example, to choose to enter your display name, account ID, or linked account. So it's up to you. As an example, just enter your display name and click on search for email. And they will basically show you the email for your account. But if you didn't find the match, they'll find something like this, or you'll find something like this. So other than display name, you have the account ID and you have linked accounts. So example, it's linked to something, linked to that. And this is to find your email. So other than that, you have the option if you forgot your password and to recover your account. So to recover your accounts, again, you'll need your email. You'll have to keep that in mind. And the last option, how can you, as example, or you can sign into your Epic Games account, but you lost access to the email address to your account and you need to change it. So in order to do that, you'll need to contact your email provider and try to restore access to your email address. If you restore access, you can just sign into your Epic Games account and update your email address. Through this, how to change your email address. So it's very simple. You'll have to get to access and click on email address change. As an example, by clicking on your name at the top right, click on accounts, and in settings, you'll find your email address, and you can click on this icon, and here you'll be able to add your new email address. After you confirm this change, please note that you won't be able to change your email address again for 90 days, which is 3 months. Keep that in mind. So even if you lost access to your old email, you'll be able to enter a new email. But that's only if you are already logged in. If you're not logged in, you will not be able to use that option. And as we said before, if you lost just your email, you don't know, as example, your email, you can choose the other option basically to find your email, as example, using your display name or something like that. And if none of these options work for you, just try to contact the Epic support and submit your request, as example. So you'll usually find it's at the bottom right. As you can see here, Epic Supports Assistant. Just describe your problem, and if there isn't a thing that they can do, they will definitely go back to you. So just go and monitor your email address. You provided an example in the recovery form, and reply promptly if Epic asks for any additional verifications, and recover times may vary depending on your case. That, of course, will be just your last resort to contact the support directly, and they will try to help you. So that's how you get your Epic Games account back without your email. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.